कतरी प्रोफेसर ने कहा है कि खलीजी ममालिक में ये एहसास फ़रोग़ पा रहा है कि अमेरिका ने उन्हें धोखा दिया। अमेरिका ईरानी मिसाइलों से सिर्फ इसराइल का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ कर रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि इसराइल खलीजी ममालिक के साथ साथ तुर्किया को भी इस जंग में घसीटने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
Well, Qatar and the rest of the GCC countries, Gulf Council Cooperation countries, they have been holding a strategic relationships with the United States of America over the past 80 years.
Yeah.
Now the Gulf states feel, not just Qatar, the Gulf states feel that the United States betrayed them. They are not defending them against the Iranian missiles, but the United States, from their perspective, only defending Israel and supporting Israel, despite the fact that this war is not America's war. This war is rather Benjamin Netanyahu's war. He's attempting to drag the Gulf states into a war against Iran. And he, as you showed in your report, also trying to drag Turkey into this conflict.